प्लीज़ बस ये वाइवा खत्म हो जाए. I was like बस जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए, यहाँ से हम निकलें. And then after all this drama, so this was going to be my first story time on this channel, and I am Anshika. As you all know, who has subscribed me, and you are new on my channel, please subscribe. So basically today was my physics practical exam. मतलब 12th क्लास की फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम थी, जो कि हमारी हाफ ईयरली की पहले हो रही थी. येस, हाफ ईयरली की बात होती है, बट ये पहले हो गई थी हमारी. सो the day was very normal. Everyone had their lab manual, notebook and all, and I have the kid who didn't had her lab manual. I was like चलो हो जाएगा, देखा जाएगा. But it was not normal until I realized that I hadn't even bought the lab manual, because everyone had their lab manual. And obviously I realized this at the worst possible time ever. So I thought that I have to call my mother. So I called my mummy, that's please pay the money of the lab manual. And guess what, she didn't picked up my call, and I'm calling again and again, but no response, because she was in her assembly, because school times assembly is going on. And I was like, what will I will do? So at this time I'm thinking, okay, maybe actually the course will finish. So I went to my teacher and I tried requesting him, like, sir, please, I will get it arranged somehow. But he wasn't agreeing either. So I had other option. I don't have any other option. I had to call my mom again. So, and thankfully this time she picked up the call and did the payment, and I finally got the lab manual. And I genuinely thought, okay, crisis over, अब practical peacefully हो जाएगा. But this was my biggest mistake. And you know, because viva time coming, and you know that feeling when you studied something, and you know you have seen it before, but the teacher asks you the question and suddenly your brain just got blank. And that's really literally was happened to me. And my teacher asked me a question, I knew the answer because I had literally studied it, but my brain was like, please we don't have any this information at the moment, please try again later. I'm just standing there trying to remember anything. And I was like, तो कुछ ऐसे आंसर मैंने बोले, टीचर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. I also didn't understand that questions and answer also. And the more I try to remember, the more my mind goes blank. At that point, I was not even thinking about the answer anymore. I was just thinking, please बस ये वाइवा ख़त्म हो जाए. I was like बस जल्दी से ख़त्म हो जाए, यहाँ से हम निकलें. And then after all this drama, I thought at least my notebook would get checked, because my notebook complete थी and उसमें चेक भी थी कुछ तो. But अभी टीचर्स के मतलब नंबरिंग हमारे देने बाकी थी. But no, it was not. My notebook wasn't even checked. So let me get this straight. I panicked because I didn't have this lab manual. I called my mom multiple times. I requested my teacher. Finally got the manual. Then went blank during Viva. And after all of that, my notebook was even checked. Honestly, physics practical से ज़्यादा तो उसके पहले का क्योस practical था. I was like, just ख़त्म हो जाइए. And whole day was like a chaos. I was like, worst time ever in my life. Just like 10 on 10 drama, but 0 on 10 brain working. And that's how a physics practical day almost gave me a heart attack before it even properly started. That's all for today. I hope you like it. Subscribe my channel.